Hi folks, I'm Marcus from CountryWoodSmoke.
And I'm Elky, aka the Smoking Elk, and today we're going to dive a little bit deeper into the age-old saying, if you're looking, you ain't cooking.
So there's a range of tools you can use now to leave in your meat so you don't have to lift the lid up of your barbecue every 5 minutes to check. And one of my favourites is the Dot. Nice simple probe that goes into the meat and that will tell you when your meat's ready.
It's also just as important to know the temperature of your barbecue as well as your meat. So there's also a range of other tools such as the Thermopen Smoke and the signals that allow you to monitor the temperature of your barbecue without you being at the barbecue.
So let's put this into practice, mate. I've got a beautiful picanha here. Let's get on and cook it. I've got my beautiful picanha here, salt and pepper on it. I'm going to put a probe in for the meat. It's important to put the probe into the thickest part of the meat and not come straight from the top, but to come in from the side, so you don't skewer all the way through it and record the temperature underneath the meat. And then a probe into the barbecue to keep an eye on the temperature.
So while Marcus is over there at the barbecue, I can keep an eye on the temperatures here whilst enjoying the beer.
So now I know that's cooking away lovely, I can keep an eye on the temperature here with this and knock up a nice chimichurri. So here we go.
I've got to say, that looks absolutely delicious.
Thank you, mate. This is a good example of carryover cooking. So we took it off the grill at 47 degrees C and it's now gone up almost 56 degrees it is, so it's gone up 9 degrees C. In that time, it's going to keep it juicy, it's going to even out because it's been cooking at high temperature, and it's going to keep all that juice in when we cut into it.
It needs to hurry up because I am starving.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a perfect example of lid down cooking, big chunk of meat, getting that fat nice and crispy. I'm so excited about this, it looks beautiful, mate.
Yeah, and that's just a perfect example of cooking the temperature and not to time. Cheers.
Cheers.